Big things come in small packages, and that certainly holds true for the most compact model in Toyota's local lineup, the Wigo. The space-efficient footprint is perfect for weaving through city traffic while translating into stellar fuel economy for cost-conscious motorists. Aba, para sa mga nagtitipid. But what other surprises does the refreshed Wigo have in store for buyers who might be tempted to go for it? I'm Stanley Chi, and this is the new Toyota Wigo. Before we start, please like, subscribe, and click the bell button for updates kasi Philcoche is the #1 car portal in the Philippines. What we have here is the new Wigo in TRD flavor. Pogi, no? The revised front end makes the Wigo look more aggressive. Perfect sa size niya since small cars are usually bullied on the road by larger vehicles. Etong Wigo, mukhang matapang, mukhang papalag. There are redesigned projector headlamps, eto, flanking the new grille featuring a honeycomb pattern that replaces the horizontal slats on the old model. The fog lamps are housed within a more angular front bumper, integrating a front spoiler that gives the Wigo a sportier aesthetic. Tapos may TRD marking pa dito sa bumper. Eto, TRD. Gusto ko rin tong kulay na to, dilaw na dilaw. Pero teka, huwag natin haluan ng politika. Hindi kami lahat dilawan dito. The alloy wheels are still at 14 inches, although the spokes now sport a more three-dimensional design. Kitang-kita naman, ayan oh, may disc brake pa. And it comes with Bridgestone tires right off the showroom. Trip ko tong rim sila ngayon, mas may impact. Ano tingin nyo? Standing at 3,660mm long, 1,600mm wide, and 1,520mm high, the Wigo retains the dimensions of the previous model. Only the top spec TRD-S variant here is longer at 3,700mm, likely due to the extra bits at the front and rear ends. Along the sides, the Wigo does away with door guards on the previous version, resulting in a cleaner look. Signal light repeaters rest on the power folding side mirrors, which are standard on the mid-range G and flagship TRD-S trims. Meron pang signal lights dito sa may side mirror. Ganda, poging-pogi. Under the hood, it's the same engine as before, the 1-liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine that's good for 65 horsepower and 89 Newton-meters of torque. A choice of 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic transmission sends the output down to the front wheels. Etong TRD-S version, however, only comes with the automatic transmission. Fuel consumption, same as before, matipid pa rin. In the city, driving the whole stretch of EDSA from Pasay to QC, oo, kasama yung cement barriers. We got 15.2 kilometers per liter, moderate to light traffic yan ha. Sa highway naman, umabot kami ng 24.3 kilometers per liter at an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour. The rear lamp cluster features a more modest revision, merely placing more emphasis on the LED bits on top of a slightly altered rear apron. Mukha pang Tetris blocks, di ba? Ayan oh. At uy, may reverse parking sensors rin tayo. Nice. Ito, all in all, Toyota knows that the Wigo's aesthetics formula works. So there's no point in changing things too much. Sabi nga nila, if it ain't broke, why fix it? At syempre, ang pinaka-special feature dito sa likod, itong nakabaon na TRD. Tindi ng pagkakabaon nito. Baon na baon. Sa likod naman, teka lang, kung ano nung iniisip nyo, binubuksan ko yung trunk. Pag binuksan nyo, you just have enough space for maybe dalawang maliit na maleta, saka maliit na bag. Pwede ring isang Stanley. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, oh. Tsaka, o nga pala, Itong upuan sa likod, pwede mong ibaba para mas malaki yung lagayan nyo ng bag. Entering the cabin, the Wigo's practical nature is enhanced by racing bits, brought about by details such as silver accents and red upholstery stitching. You know. There's still ample room for up to 5 occupants, while convenience has been upgraded with the addition of digital climate control for the higher variants. May push-button engine start na rin para di mo na ilalabas yung susi sa bulsa. At may rear camera na rin para sa mga hirap mag-park. Siyempre, ito, 7-inch touchscreen head unit, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na. Kaso exclusive lang to para sa mga TRDS variant. The audio volume can also be controlled either on the multifunction steering wheel. May pa-bonus pa. The TRDS comes standard with a dashcam. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili. Ito, dito sa likod, ganun pa rin. Maluwag for 2 people, pero medyo siksikan kapag 3. Malambot naman yung upuan, maganda rito, hindi boring, may red stitching pa rin. Saka enough naman yung space para sa mga kagaya kung hindi katangkaran, average size lang or sige na nga, punggo. May bottle holders sa mga pinto pero walang armrest saka aircon vents. Okay lang naman. Sa liit nitong cabin hindi ka ba aabutan ng lamig sa likod.
Now let's drive the new Wigo. Well, it's pretty much the same as before. Basic. Kung beginner kang driver, hindi ka mahihirapan. Wide yung driving view at dahil maliit yung auto, ewan ko na lang kung sumayad ka pa. Also, for a small car, it's not that cramped here. Hindi sasayad yung siko mo sa bintana kapag liliko. Medyo mabigat nga lang yung steering. Slight lang, pero masasanay ka rin ng mga ilang days. Yung ride niya, expected. Okay sa roads, ramdam yung kalsada. Pag may lubak na absorb naman nung sasakyan, medyo ramdam mo nga lang din sa loob. The 65 horsepower, 89 Nm of torque, 3-cylinder engine is enough to keep this light vehicle up to speed within the city. Hindi ka mabibitin. Ramdam na ramdam mong magaan siya. On the highway, sakto lang. Aabot at lalagpas ka naman sa 100 km/h. Pero syempre, huwag kang lalampas. Bawal yun. Mapapansin mo nga lang na kapag nasa bandang 90 ka na, taas na ng rev ng makina. Around 3,000 revolutions per minute. Dinig mo rin talaga dito sa loob ng cabin. Well, 4-speed automatic
Andito na tayo sa feel kotse grade natin. For aesthetics, kita nyo naman, mas pinaganda yung Toyota Wigo. Ang daming improvement sa harap. Medyo nabugahan lang ng TRD branding.
Toyota Wigo,
TRD!
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 TRD! TRD! TRD!
At ang grade natin, 4/5. Teka, mag-isa lang pala ako. Wala si Martin, wala si Rep. Okay. For practicality naman, okay itong Toyota Wigo kasi kung yari, ikaw college student, gusto mo ng first car, binata ka o sige na nga kahit feeling binata. Ang score natin dito, kahit na sabihin nating mahirap buksan yung trunk kasi pupunta ka pa rito, gaganyan ka pa, no? Hirap pinahihirapan nyo ako. Ang score 3.5/5. Sa performance, okay naman tong Toyota Wigo. Medyo maingay lang yung makina, tapos parang nanginginig at tingin ko pasmado. Pero dahil ito sa 3-cylinder lang yung makina. Overall, okay naman. Magandang-maganda to. Hindi kanya ibibitin pagka pupunta ka sa mga from QC to Alabang. Hindi kanya ibibitin. Alam nyo naman, mahirap mabitin. Kaya ang score natin dito ay 3/5. Value for money, sulit na sulit itong Toyota Wigo kasi may dashcam, may mga Apple CarPlay sa loob at ayos naman. Iba't ibang variants, iba't ibang presyo, depende sa taste mo. Kaya ang score natin dito 4/5. Fail Kotse score, overall, the Toyota Wigo is 3.5/5. Init. The Toyota Wigo carries a sticker price of 568,000 pesos for the entry-level E-manual, going up to 623,000 for the G-manual, 658,000 for the G-automatic, while the range-topping TRD-S costs about 700,000 pesos. Considering the upgrades that you get when compared to the outgoing model, sulit na sulit itong TRDS. Pogi pa, parang ako. So, anong tingin nyo? Pogi ba ako? Pogi ba tong Toyota Wigo? I'm Stanley Chi, and this is our review for the 2020 Toyota Wigo. Follow us on YouTube, and pag umabot kami ng 100,000 subscribers, ipinapangako ko sa inyo, sasayaw kami ni Rep at ni Martin sa isang video. Tsaka abangan yung TikTok namin, seryoso yun.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Philcoche, the country's #1 online car portal.